All right, it's Wednesday morning. The ice and everything is finally melted and the grass is dry enough for us to be working, and there's not going to be any mud ruts for mowing or anything like that. So right now we're going to jump our truck battery, because it's dead from the cold temperatures. But other than that, we're going to go trim some trees, hit the compost, and do our commercial hotel management. So come with us. We're in business. So we're here at our commercial property, our first hotel for the day. We're going to apply our fungal treatment and our backpack sprayer here to these diseased crepe myrtles behind us. Among other things, we're going to do just a traditional wintertime service, clean up the property, blow it, clear it of trash, and make sure that it's looking good. And then we'll move on to our next one. Come with us. So whenever we blow parking lots like this, it's not like mowing. We don't do it in strips where you go up and down. We just go, we keep one straight line, and we just blow it by walking back and forth across the property, up and down that line. So basically you're slowly squeezing that circle, making it tighter until eventually all the leaves and plant material are off the property. But in this case, we've got another parking lot over there, so we're not going to make a mess for them. We're going to blow past them and blow into the field over there, and the leaves will be fine to be left in that field where, it's just an empty field. So we'll keep blowing this property. This is what it looks like to blow a large-scale parking lot in a hotel. Faster way to do this is if we had the zero turn with us, we could turn the blades on and use the wind that it blows out the side of the blades as another blower as well. I've done that with the Hilton a lot. But this one isn't really big enough to merit bringing it just for that. So stay tuned, and you'll catch some of that using the zero turn as a blower here at this hotel in April when we start mowing it. So yeah. All right, so our second customer of the day, the tree trimming job we had, unfortunately lost the key to his backyard. So his backyard is locked until he finds the key or breaks the lock off and gets a new one. So we're just gonna wait on him, maybe tomorrow, because we'll be in Norman again then. But if not, then sometime next week we'll reschedule. So otherwise, we're gonna return to base, make the video for today, Wednesday's video, lawn care setup part 3 for landscaping. Having a lot of fun with this YouTube stuff, so just stay tuned, check out our other videos, and follow us into tomorrow for the rest of the lawn vlog. Thanks for watching. Good morning, it's another Monday. It's a little warmer now, all the ice is melted, everything's thawed out, and it feels like it's a good March 1st. So it's our last preseason month. We're getting ready, we're marketing, we're rolling, we're trying to build some route density on the north side. We're trying to get some more spraying customers, and we're scheduling some spring starters. We're gonna start pushing those real heavy in March and scheduling them through April. So come with us, check that out, and see how we transition into the regular mowing season. And honestly, I just can't wait to get started, so let's get after it. So we've arrived here at our commercial property. Seth is grabbing the Echo Weed Eater and Edger with the Steel Edge It Pro. He's gonna start edging the main edges and weed eating any areas that he sees that I miss with my steel weed eater. Ashton's gonna be on the push mower, and then when he finishes push mowing, we'll both be done edging and weed eating, and then we'll all blow the whole property, and then we'll find a neighborhood on the north side here and hang some flyers, try to build some route density and add another customer to our list on this north side, because yes, we've got this commercial property here, but we need some more to make the drive worth it. So let's get to it, let's grow this business and see if we can make it. Come with us. So we finished up a full service mow that includes mowing, edging, weed eating, and blowing. All those services have been completed. We left one pile of sticks over there that was too big to blow away, so we're gonna go by, pick it up, haul it off, and then get to hanging some flyers.
Damn, feet hurt.
So we're on site here at our commercial property. We're gonna give them a quote, follow up quickly. And the way I follow up is I like to actually present them with a mock contract with all the quotes already filled in and everything, so they'll see all the prices for all the different services we offer throughout the year as a part of our mandatory service contract, and then a bunch of other services that we upsell. For example, power washing, stump removal, tree trimming, mulch and flowers in the beds, things like that are some popular upsells with commercial clients and residential clients alike. So we're gonna get them a custom quote for this tree stump removal and an annual quote for just our regular commercial service. And we'll see what that looks like and see if we can secure them. Hopefully we can get another client. This is one of the customers that called me that I really like. And I just wanna touch on this note real quick. There's different types of customers in this business. There's people that, you know, just kind of scalp and seem to get the lowest price and everything, and that's okay. But then there's customers like this who called me, and one of the first things he said was, I'm not gonna get quotes from other companies. I'm just gonna, you know, decide whether to go with you or not go with you before I start talking to other people. And that's how you do business. You just wanna be nice and respectful to people, and I just really appreciate the honor in that. So we'll get him a good quote, we'll give him a good price, and hopefully we can secure this deal. And actually, Seth works for us here. His friend their mom owns this building or works in this building. So we're gonna try to get both of these, build some high route density here and get some good margins because they share a property line. So hopefully this pops up in other videos and we'll let you know if we sell it or not.